I'm live here from Japan. Today I'm gonna introduce a revolutionary product that can bring new life to both your hair and your skin. My name is Yuri and I've been an esthetician for 25 years. Just 3 years ago, I was losing my hair volume and my skin was damaged and extremely sensitive because of allergies. Everything changed when a university professor shared with me a special liquid, a chemical-free formula that helps repair the cells themselves. Cells themselves. And that moment was the beginning of something truly amazing. After using it on the scalp for 1 month, this is the kind of change that happened. And after 3 years, the volume kept improving naturally. And please look at the skin as well. It changed so much. And even now, as you can see, both my hair and my skin are healthy and full of life. These are real clients who saw amazing change. This is a 38-year-old male client. He used this toner twice a day, spraying 5 to 10 pumps directly onto the scalp. You can see the roots becoming stronger and fuller month by month. And if it flows onto your face, don't worry. It's actually good for your skin too. You can just leave it on. It helps your skin stay healthy and fresher. This is a 62-year-old female. After 1 month, you can already see a clear improvement. And after 1 year, the results are even more impressive. She's really happy about it. At 77, she is truly overjoyed by the change. She used the scalp and face toner once in the morning and once at night. 5 to 10 sprays each time. After 1 month, you can see the change, and after 1 year, the results are even better. And after 2 years, the difference is truly incredible. And if it flows onto your face, don't worry. It's 100% safe. You can just leave it on. It makes your skin clean, healthy, and bright. This is a liquid that makes your cells truly healthy again. So when your scalp becomes healthy, your hair comes back to life. And when you put it on your skin, it helps allergy skin, sensitive skin, and dry skin. It even makes your eyebrows and eyelash stronger and healthier because it simply makes the cells healthy where you use it. It recharges the cells, so any area you use it on start looking healthy again. And when you add the same and the cream to your face routine, it makes your skin looks even younger and more radiant. In Japan, people often spray it in the mouth before brushing. And a university doctor published a paper showing it can safely neutralize the harmful toxins from gum disease bacteria. Disease bacteria. It's so clean and so pure. It's safe if it touches the mouth. But this live is all about scalp and skincare. So please know it's extremely safely and mild for the skin. Now I want to show you pictures of people with allergies and sensitive skin. She used the lotion, the serum, and the cream together. And after 1 month, after 1 month, you can see how much her allergy skin calmed down. This happens because there are no preservatives or harsh chemicals. In this product, it's very gentle and very safe for sensitive skin. And she is so happy with the results. Nothing works for her before, but MizumaRi is the first thing she can use with confidence. And it made her skin cleaner, healthier, and more beautiful. She said, for the first time, my skin is calm and I feel safe. And even the most delicate parts, I like the under eye area. This product is truly multi-use. You can use it on the scalp, the face, and so much more. And the most you use it, the more your hair and skin react and improve. So please give it a try today. The before after 67-year-old female. Come back hair volume twice a day, morning and night. 3 months later, nice. The next 60-year-old female. 1 month later, twice a day, morning and night, directly onto your scalp. Come back, hair volume. 2 years later, oh nice, 2 years later, I highly recommend it. Next, 55-year-old male. Thinning hair, 1 month later, twice a day, morning and night. 5 to 10 pumps. I highly recommend MizumaRi. Thank you for watching.